So hello everyone. Today in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can fix your Facebook marketplace not available on your notification bar. As you can see in my case I don't have the marketplace. It's the videos, it's friends, it's my profile and it's notification, but I don't see the marketplace on my account. So for that, the quickest and simplest one is most of the time you need to check your account. For that, just click on your profile um, photo, and from there go to settings and privacy, and from there click settings, and from here you just need to go navigation bar, and from here custom this bar. And as you can see here, my marketplace is hidden. In order to make your marketplace show it on your notification bar, just click here, and you can either click pin or you can click auto. For me, I'm just clicking auto, and then all you need to do is close your Facebook from your RAM, and after that open your Facebook, and as you can see here is marketplace has arrived. But if this case, in your case, if this didn't work, then go to your Play Store, and from here go to Facebook, and from here just update your Facebook. Let me update my Facebook. After you finished your update, then go to your settings. From settings go to apps. From apps go to Facebook, and from here go to storage and cache, and here you just need to clear your storage, and after clearing your storage you just need to clear your cache. And after completing everything, just close it, and if your Facebook is running on your background, just clear it from your background and then restart your Facebook, or you can just restart your phone. So after you restart your phone, just open your Facebook, and most of the time it will work for you.